If LibreOffice Writer is showing the error that the file cannot be written, don't worry, because in many cases this is caused by a simple lock file or a temporary saving issue. In this video, I'll show you 2 quick fixes you can try right away to get your documents saved again without losing your work. And if this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, let's talk about the most common cause, a hidden lock file. If LibreOffice crashed, froze, or didn't close properly last time, it may leave behind a small lock file that stops the document from being saved again. To fix this, open the folder where your Writer document is stored. If you're on Windows, go to the View menu and enable Show Hidden Items so you can see files that are normally hidden. On other systems, look for the option to display hidden files in your file manager. Once hidden items are visible, look for a file that starts with the .artlock, followed by your document name, and ends with .odt. It may look something like lock.your file odt. This file is usually tiny, but it can block LibreOffice from writing changes to your document. Delete that lock file completely, then go back to LibreOffice Writer and try saving the document again. In many cases, this instantly solves the problem. If the error still appears, or if you're in the middle of important work and need to save immediately, there is a useful emergency workaround you can try. Go to File, then choose Save As. Instead of saving in the standard ODF format, change the Save As type dropdown from .odt to Word 2007 to 36.docx. This can sometimes bypass the file writing issue long enough to preserve your content. When you do this, make sure to choose a brand new save location. For example, save it directly to the base C drive, to your desktop, or to an external USB drive. Picking a new location can help avoid folder permission problems or a damaged save path. After that, click Save and see if the file writes successfully. If the document saves as a .text file, open it again afterward and confirm that your text is still there. This gives you a safe backup copy while you continue troubleshooting the original .odt file later. It's a smart way to avoid losing progress when LibreOffice refuses to write changes normally. So to quickly recap, first check for and delete the hidden LibreOffice lock file, then try saving the document in a different format and in a fresh location. These 2 steps solve the problem for many users and can save a lot of time when Writer won't save properly. If this video helped you fix the LibreOffice Writer file cannot be written error, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and leave a comment if you want more LibreOffice troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.